Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make garlic parmesan chicken sandwich. A copycat of Wingstop's version. Their garlic parmesan chicken sandwich was so good that I had to replicate it myself. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Wingstop came out with a new product. New chicken sandwiches in 12 different sauce flavors. The garlic parmesan has always been one of my favorite flavors, so I went with that. And here's what I got. With all that buttery garlic parmesan sauce all over, it already looked so delicious, but now I had to see how this tasted. And just as I expected, this was so good. I inspected the thin flaky breading used, the tenderness of the chicken, and how the garlic parmesan sauce tasted. It also comes with your choice of dipping sauce. I chose ranch, and I have to say, it brought it to another whole level dipped in the ranch. Now let's go on and recreate this. Here are the ingredients you'll need. I started with 1 1/4 pound piece of chicken breasts. Cut them into patty size, and for the thicker part, slice in half. Like so here. You want all of the chicken to have the same thickness. I was able to cut this into 4 chicken patties, so I'll be making 4 chicken sandwiches. For the buns, you can use potato buns or brioche buns. 8 pieces of garlic cloves, sliced pickles, stick of butter, 2 eggs, all-purpose flour, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, breadcrumbs, seasoned salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and your choice of ranch or blue cheese as a dip. Alright, let's put this all together. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, and then mix till well combined. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk together. Then grab another bowl with half cup of all-purpose flour and have the bowls lined up side by side in this order. Dip the chicken into the flour until fully coated, then into the egg mixture until fully coated, then into the breadcrumbs mixture until fully coated. Then set aside and repeat with the rest of the chicken pieces. And set aside to rest. In the meantime, mince up 8 garlic cloves. This is to get the true garlic flavor sauce. I've tried using garlic powder instead, but it wasn't as good as using freshly minced garlic. At this time, you can preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. In a large frying pan on medium heat, add just enough olive oil to cover the base. When oil is hot, I'll add in the chicken breasts. For this part, we only want to cook the breading in oil until you get a nice light golden brown crust. It took less than a minute on each side. I don't want to burn the coating, and it can burn fast, so keep a close eye on this. Flip to the other side, and again keep an eye on the crust. Then transfer them over to a baking pan with parchment paper, and we'll cook the rest of the chicken by baking it in the oven for 15 more minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we can warm up and lightly grill the buns on medium heat. I added about a tablespoon of butter per bun with the inside of the bun face down. Use a spatula to check the bottom and remove when done. Lastly, we'll make the buttered garlic parmesan sauce. In a sauce pot, add a stick of butter, which equals to a half cup. Once melted, add in all of the minced garlic and between 2 to 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and stir constantly for about a minute. We want to release all that garlic flavor into the butter. Then put it on the lowest heat to let it just simmer. When the chicken breasts are done in the oven, I will double check the inner part of the chicken is at least the minimum 165 Fahrenheit safe internal temperature. Then place the chicken patty in the buttered garlic parmesan sauce and mix around until you get it well coated on both sides. Then place on the bun. Then add more grated parmesan over the top of the chicken and let it melt. Add as much as you want. Then add pickle slices over, cover the buns, and there you have it, a Wingstop copycat version of their garlic parmesan chicken sandwich. Let me tell you, this was so good. The garlic and parmesan flavor was perfect, also being that it was nice and warm and freshly made. Dip this in ranch and it was even better. You're going to end up with some extra buttery garlic parmesan sauce. So you can add more grated parmesan to it, and you can use this as another buttery garlic parmesan sauce to dip your chicken sandwich in if you'd like, to get more added flavor. So good. I would like to know, have you tried Wingstop's different chicken sandwich flavors? If so, which ones are your favorite? Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.